Today, we're diving into the HP EliteBook 840G1's new replacement LCD screen. With a crisp 14-inch display, this matte LED HD screen boasts a resolution that enhances your visual experience. The LCD technology ensures vibrant and sharp visuals, making it a compatible replacement for your laptop. One standout feature is the wide 178-degree viewing angle, providing flexibility and clarity from various positions. Whether you're working on spreadsheets or enjoying multimedia content, the HD resolution delivers a satisfying visual experience. The matte finish reduces glare, making it suitable for different lighting conditions. It's impressive how this screen maintains clarity even at extreme angles, ensuring that you don't miss any details in your work or entertainment. In terms of compatibility, this screen is designed as a seamless replacement, fitting seamlessly into your HP EliteBook 840G1. The installation process is straightforward, making it accessible for users looking to upgrade their laptop display. Overall, if you're in need of a reliable and compatible replacement screen for your HP EliteBook 840G1, this LED HD matte display is worth considering. It combines quality, functionality, and ease of installation, ensuring a satisfying visual upgrade for your laptop. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.